YouTube? Welcome back to another Stihl Farms YouTube channel. Today's video, we just got this Stihl MSA 220C electric chainsaw. I just got it the other day from Virginia Tractor in Purcellville. It's got the 16-inch blade on it, bar on it, and it's got the AP300S battery. We had this old tree fall down here by the creek. Let's see how it does chopping it up. Hope you guys enjoyed. As I'm videotaping this, we're about a dozen away of 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, that would be great. Now let's get started with the new Stihl electric chainsaw. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. Cuts pretty well. Pretty happy with it. All right, now that we're done here, it took all that battery had pretty much. Doesn't have much more power anymore, but we did get through those two trees. One was pretty rotten though, but the other one was pretty good hardwood. First thoughts, this thing's pretty sweet. Lightweight, you just have to press 2 buttons to make it work. Turns off right away. It's not idling. It's not too loud like a big chainsaw or anything. It's got the power. This is a 16-inch blade again. Really, it's 14 inches from here to there. So in the video, when you saw me measuring, I try to cut my pieces 16 inches long. So I think it's about from this spot right here to the tip of the bar is 16 inches. So that's what I was going off, give or take a ½ inch. That's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll probably do another review because I love this thing so much. You'll be seeing me use this a lot around the property. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you haven't, subscribe again. I'll see you guys on the next one.